Hi guys, it's almost the weekend, so you know what that means. We need to celebrate with a drink, so I thought we'd make my summer sangria with rum. Now that all the plums and all the stone fruit are here, this is the perfect time to make it. And it's also one of the most popular recipes on my site because it's really great for entertaining. It stretches out a bottle of wine and you can make it the day before. So let's get started. To make our summer sangria with rum, we start by slicing up the strawberries and the plums and pitting all the cherries. Now for the wine. Use your favorite, but I like to use Pinot Noir. Add the rum and drop in all the fruit. As the fruit soaks in the wine and the liquor, it absorbs all those delicious flavors and is the best part of the sangria. Gently muddle the fruit into the alcohol by pressing and stirring with a large spoon. Now add some simple syrup and a sprig of mint. And then chill for an hour or two in the refrigerator. Right before serving, add the lime soda to give it a little extra fizz and sweetness. Now serve over ice and enjoy. For the full recipe, visit my website or click on the link below. Cheers!